Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving technology that is transforming the way we live and work. At its core, it involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. In this essay, we will explore the history of AI, its current applications, and its potential impact on society. The history of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century, when researchers began exploring the concept of machine intelligence. The development of computer technology in the 1960s and 1970s led to a renewed interest in AI, and by the 1980s, AI had become a field of study in its own right. The past several decades, AI has continued to evolve and mature, with advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. At its core, this technology involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and natural language processing. Systems use algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions, improving their accuracy and effectiveness over time. It is used in a variety of applications, ranging from simple consumer devices like virtual assistants and chatbots to more complex systems used in fields like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. In healthcare, for example, it is being used to analyze medical images and data, develop personalized treatment plans, and improve patient outcomes. In finance, it is being used to detect fraud, analyze market trends, and automate customer service. And in manufacturing, it is being used to optimize production processes, improve quality control, and reduce waste. Potential benefits of AI are significant. There are also concerns about the potential risks and drawbacks of this technology. Concern is the potential for AI to displace workers, particularly in industries like manufacturing and transportation where automation is already well established. It could lead to job losses and economic disruption, particularly for workers with lower levels of education or skills. Another concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate or exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, if the systems are trained on biased or incomplete data, they may produce biased or discriminatory outcomes, such as denying loans or opportunities to certain groups of people. Additionally, if the systems are owned and controlled by a small number of companies or individuals, they may contribute to the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few. Concerns. It is essential to develop AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and accountable. This requires a greater focus on ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI technology, including the establishment of ethical framework standards and guidelines. Another area of focus for the development of this technology is the need to ensure that it is used to benefit society as a whole, rather than just a select few. It requires a focus on developing AI systems that are accessible and affordable to all, particularly those in underprivileged communities. It also requires a greater focus on developing AI systems that can address some of the most pressing global challenges, such as climate change, food security, and healthcare. Overall, the technology has the potential to transform our lives in significant ways, from improving healthcare outcomes to reducing traffic accidents. However, it also presents significant challenges that must be addressed to ensure that it is developed and deployed in an ethical and responsible manner. In the future, it is essential to continue to invest in the development of AI technology while also addressing the challenges it presents. collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to ensure that the benefits of AI technology are shared equitably and that it is used to benefit society as a whole. In conclusion, AI technology represents a significant technological advancement with the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It has already been applied to a wide range of industries, from healthcare to manufacturing, and has the potential to address some of the most pressing global challenges. However, it also presents significant challenges that must be addressed, such as its potential impact on employment and its ethical implications. By focusing on developing AI systems that are accountable, we can unlock its potential to create a more sustainable, efficient, and prosperous world for all. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment and subscribe or follow in this. Don't forget to share with your friends.